Hey everyone, I'm David, a beauty director at Sephora.
And I'm Lauren. I'm on the skin and hair team at Sephora.
And it's August. It's my birthday month.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So this month's theme is Your Beauty Sidekicks. We're going to be taking you on a superhero's journey and introducing you to some incredible beauty products that are going to make you feel like you have some superpowers.
Yes.
We all want that, right?
Yeah.
Plus, we have a little special bonus for you guys this month, a power up, if you will. In place of your beauty bonus, you will actually be receiving a 6th trial size product. So to clarify, normally you guys would receive 5 trial size products and 1 smaller size beauty bonus. It's usually a paquette or a fragrance sample. This month you won't be getting that. You'll actually get another 6th product from within this assortment, more for you guys to try out.
Don't forget, each box comes with a play pass that is worth 50 extra Beauty Insider points online or in store with a purchase of $20 or more. So if you are using it online, make sure to use the code on the back of your pass. And as you guys know, there are multiple versions of the box, so you won't be getting everything you see here today, but you are getting a box that's tailored to you. Super exciting.
That's it.
And we're done.
That's it. We're done. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Going back to the hotel now. Okay, so first up from Bobbi Brown, we have the Vitamin-Enriched Face Base Priming Moisturizer. This is a fantastic primer that's going to moisturize the skin beautifully. It's oil-free, so it's perfect for all skin types. They actually use a shea butter to moisturize, which is really great. And it's also infused with vitamins B, C, and E, so you're getting some great antioxidant power and protection. But most importantly, it's going to prep your skin for a beautiful, smooth complexion application, which is exactly what we're looking for from a primer. And Bobbi Brown does skin so well, you know this is going to be a great primer to work with.
And next up from Bare Minerals, we have their Dew Mist Setting Spray. It really locks in that makeup, it hydrates, and it really refreshes your complexion. And it has kombucha ferment in it, so it wakes up your skin. It really wakes it up. It's got watermelon and apple extracts that hydrate the skin. And then you've got meadowsweet extract in there to reduce the look of pores. So it does a little bit of everything.
I'm personally in love with this product. This is from Smashbox. This is the Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Stepping Out.
Oh.
It's a beautiful velvety matte long wear formula. It's like a mousse. It goes on, it lasts for 8 hours. No smudging, no budging, no feathering. But I really love this formula, especially for liquid lipsticks, because it is hydrating as well. There's a great primer oil in here, which keeps it soft and cushiony. So you can even see it just goes on.
Oh, it just
it's
glides
like butter.
on like butter.
And this color, this shade is actually like a deep nude shade that I think everyone can benefit from. And it's a great chance for you guys to try the formula so that you can pop into a Sephora and try out some of the other shades, because I think you're really going to love this.
I think so too.
I really love this formula. I think it's so great.
Next up from Buxom, we have their full-on Plumping lip cream gloss in Hot Toddy.
Hot Toddies.
Love a good Hot Toddy. It is this toasty nude shade, and I honestly keep this one in my bag. It is an awesome universal shade that goes with everything, and it's a shimmer-free gloss. It has a little bit of a tingle. It plumps up the look of your lips with a hyaluronic acid booster. And then it's got vitamin A and E in it to lock in that moisture and really give you soft, supple lips.
Up next is from Nars, and this is the Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil in the shade Dance Fever. I love a lipstick pencil duo.
Me too.
I think it's just great. It's easy. It's perfect for on the go, because it's basically your lip liner and your lipstick in one. You get the possibility of a precise lipstick application like you would get with a lip liner, plus the one sweep high pigment payoff of a lipstick. This shade in particular is a rosy brown shade. It's a beautiful shade. We actually have it on Lauren right now.
I'm wearing it.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I love it.
It's a comfortable, beautiful matte finish to it, but it's easy to wear. It's non-drying, and it just looks gorgeous. And I love this formula. I really do. It's been around for quite a while now, and it's doing so well. And people really love this.
Very velvety, not drying.
Velvety, yeah.
From Sephora Collection, we have their Cream Lip Stain Liquid Lipstick in Pink Tea. And this is this beautiful, neutral pink shade. And it is a really comfortable wear. It's not sticky at all, but it is really hydrating because it has avocado oil in it. And I would say it stays for hours. When you eat, when you drink.
Yes. Break out the banana splits, whatever you want to eat.
Your hot toddies.
Your hot toddies. That lipstick is not going anywhere.
Yeah, it doesn't budge. It's awesome.
Up next from Laura Mercier, we have the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. This is a beautiful, glossy black mascara filled with like vitamin and mineral-rich ingredients that are going to help nurture as well as sort of condition your lashes. The brush has a helix shape to it. So it's got this like spiral spin to it. So those bristles are really going to make sure that there's no clumping, that you're going to get full volume. You're going to get the maximum amount of product onto each lash. So your lashes look gorgeous and beautiful and still feathery, which I love.
I want to take this.
I know. It's a great, and I'm a big fan of trying everything new in mascaras because there's always new innovations, and this is a classic case of that. It may become your new superhero sidekick. Okay, so let's talk about some skincare, but before we jump in, some exciting little fun fact. The first 4 products are actually all exclusive to Sephora, which we're really proud of because they're all really incredible, as you're about to see. So let's jump in with the first, which is from Biossance. This is the Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. This is a beautiful, decadent, rich moisturizer. It's filled with all those good fats that you really want on your skin for that intense hydration. We're talking about omega fatty acids. Obviously, it's in the name, as well as a plant-based squalane, ceramides, plant sterols, all which really nurture the skin, hydrate it, and give you that glow. This is your first step in achieving that glowing skin that really works beautifully on everybody. So I think you're going to love this one.
And next up from Glam Glow, we have their Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution Toner. And this one is a shake to activate toner. Very cool. It's pore clarifying. It has a blend of clay, charcoal, and some acids to really exfoliate, refine, and just purify that complexion. I mean, if you know Glam Glow and you know their Super Mud Mask, which is a cult favorite, you are going to love this.
This is going to go right into the routine with it.
It really will. Next up from Algenist, we have their Genius Sleeping Collagen, and this is a super buttery formula. It's really decadent.
Really
a little
nice.
goes a long
way.
Long way.
Like a pea size is all you need.
Totally. And it's a vegan plant-based collagen. It plumps and smooths the skin. It really hydrates overnight. So it works overnight while you sleep, which is your skin's optimal recovery time.
And it's such an important time for you to make sure you're using the correct skincare. So up next is from Sunday Riley. And this is the A+ high dose retinol serum. This is an advanced strength retinoid serum. And we know the power of retinol. It's the fountain of youth.
It does everything.
Everything.
If you are not using retinol right now,
you need to start now.
Start now.
It really helps your skin reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. It promotes clearer skin. Just overall, it is just youth in an ingredient, basically. And this is also formulated with CoQ10, which really helps to reduce the appearance of sun damage. They've also included in here a Hawaiian white honey, which is a natural humectant that really soothes and balances your skin. So you've got these great active ingredients, and you've also got some great calming and soothing ingredients. So overall, it's a fantastic product for anyone, especially who's looking to try out a retinol for the first time. I think you'll really love it. So up next is from Ren Clean Skincare, and this is the Ever Calm Global Day Cream, a fantastic moisturizer that has a really big following. It's been around for a while, perfectly suited for anyone who struggles with chronic skin discomfort. So
dry, eczema prone,
sensitive, redness. It's filled with antioxidants that not only nurture your skin, but protect it from the environmental damage that we are basically accosted by daily in our lives, right? So the moisturizer absorbs very fast, but it doesn't sit on the skin, which can sometimes cause more irritation to people. And I think anyone who receives this in their box is going to absolutely love this.
You guys are going to love it. I'm so excited.
I know. You were so excited when it was there. You were like,
I'm like, I'm gonna take this home. I literally have one in my bag, and I just
so good.
dab that on whenever I'm feeling like my skin is
little
freaking
irritated,
out a little bit,
yep.
you know? And then last but not least, we have Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And this one is a gel cream formula that gives you this instant boost of moisture. And what's really cool about this one is it works for up to 72 hours. So even after you wash your face, it just keeps hydrating your skin. And then a pro tip is you can actually use this as a 5-minute mask.
Right before a special event, dab on a little extra tissue off the excess and start applying your makeup for a beautiful effect.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
And it just leaves you dewy and glowing.
We love that. Okay, so let's talk about some hair care. We've got some great products.
We do.
So up first, we have from Playa, and this is the Endless Summer Spray. This is a fantastic salt spray. We know how great salt sprays are for achieving that beautiful beachy curl. That's a look that trends year-round. It can be summer, it can be winter. We all love that beachy look to the hair. This particular spray, the salt in it, really will activate your hair's natural texture and curl, but it will not leave it stiff or crunchy or sticky. There's also a beta carotene in here, which is a UV protectant. So while you're using it, you're protecting your hair as well as your scalp from UV damage. Easy to use, and it gives you that beautiful beachy look year-round.
And next up from Briogeo, we have their Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. And this one is a great lightweight finishing formula. It smooths hair, it tames frizz, and it enhances shine. It's infused with a blend of oils, so it's got argan in there, it's got coconut and rosehip. And if all of that wasn't enough for you, it also protects your hair from heat, so
Which
up
is
to
great,
450 degrees.
Yeah, because everyone's styling, so...
Great one to pick up.
So up next is from Alterna Haircare, and this is the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. There's a lot in there because it does a lot. This is a multi-purpose product. It's great for protection from heat styling, protection from humidity.
I love this one because it has caviar extract in it, so it really helps with breakage. It helps with dryness. It helps with dullness. So
overall, you're just going to get that beautiful hair campaign effect, you know, which is really nice.
And it's a lightweight, really lightweight cream to oil formula.
Which is fantastic, and it won't weigh your hair down at all. So up next is from Moroccan Oil, and this is the Moroccan Oil hair treatment. So it's fantastic for infusing your hair with all the benefits of argan oil, which we know are so good for skin, hair, nails, everything. It just basically hydrates, nourishes, soothes. So you get that beautiful, silky, glossy hair without the weight of an oil. It makes blow drying easier. So you don't have to go as long blow drying.
And it's so fast absorbing. Like it's so lightweight. It's not like greasy at all.
Right. And it just looks really healthy.
Yeah. And then last but not least, we have Amica the Wizard Detangling Primer. And this is a nutrient-packed, weightless hair primer that detangles. It reduces your blow dry time, which is really nice when you want to get out the door, and it protects your hair from heat. So it's got sea buckthorn berry in it, which helps to nurture, hydrate, and protect your hair. Great for all hair textures, and when your hair is color treated, anything like that, it's safe to use.
Okay, guys, so normally this is where we would talk about our bonuses. But there's no bonuses this month. Instead, like we said earlier, you will be receiving a 6th trial size product, which is technically bigger than your bonuses. So you're going to have a lot more to play with and a lot more fun beauty.
Don't forget, you guys have your playbook in your box, which is everything you guys need to know about your products that you're getting in the month, fun tips and tricks and how to use. And then you've got this comic book, guys.
Love this, so cute.
I mean, The Adventures of Playbay.
So cute. Wait. You
gotta read through it. It's so cute. And then you've got your Play Pass, which is worth 50 extra Beauty Insider points online or in store with a purchase of $20 or more. And if you are using it online, make sure to use the code on your pass. And this bag.
I mean, look at this bag. How cute is this?
It's so cute. It comes in a different color every month. And it's recyclable, it's reusable, and it's travel friendly.
And don't forget, guys, we love to see your unboxing videos, so feel free to share them on social media. Be sure to use the hashtag #SephoraPlay so that all of us can enjoy your excitement. Definitely in the comment section below, let us know about all these products products that you're really interested in. I love to read about it. I get on there, I'm answering and talking to you guys.
You do.
So please, let me know what you're loving. And until next time, take care and have fun.
Bye.
ABC, common mark.
And don't forget, you guys have your Play Pass inside this month's box. And so it's where,
You were like,
that's not it.
I don't know about that, David.
And if you are using it online, make sure to use your pass.
So close. So close.
Dang it.
You were like,
Okay.
there. No, they've literally been touching the whole time.
Was I just like,
We're like,
was I just like
I know,
this?
it's like on top.
I liked it.
So up next, I got the
Yeah.
next one, is from Ren.
That again.
Yeah, I know.
I was like, is this me?
yeah, up next is me. Me.
I understand this.
I have to make myself laugh on camera.
No, I like
Because
it.
if I don't, then I get too serious, and I'm
I
just
like
too
it.
much of a clown to be serious.
What is happening here? Just look at this. Because I've been like that the whole time.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.